Everyone, once again I am Anuja Shrivastava is with you to present the next video of class 7 chemistry. In first part of first chapter you will studied about the matter and the composition of the matter. In this video we will study about the forces that keep the constituent of matter together. So without wasting time, just start the forces that keeps the constituent of matter together. So as you all know, there is three state of matter you were studied since the junior classes: the solid, liquid and gas. But nowadays two more state of matter is going to be added. The fourth state of matter is the plasma, which exists at very high temperature, and the fifth state of matter is Bose condensate, Bose-Einstein condensate. Which occur at very small, low temperature. This is also known as BEC, but you will only study about the solid, liquid and gases. So let's see the comparative study of these three. So see, here I will write the properties. Then I will write in this column solid, liquid and gas. So first property which I will take, that is the shape. And everyone knows the shape of solid is definite. But in liquid, the shape of liquid is not definite, because in the vessel, which vessel we will pour the liquid take the shape of that particular vessel. And in gases, it is also not definite. Now let's see the another property. The another property is volume. The volume in solid is definite. In liquid, it is also definite. But if we will talk about the gases will occupy the entire vacant space, so it is not definite. Now let us see the another property, that is the interparticle force of attraction. That means the force which attract the particle each other. So in the solid, the particles are very closer to each other. That's why more than liquid and gas. And if we will talk about the liquid, it is less than liquid. Less than solid but more than gas. And if we will discuss about the gas, in gases the attraction of force is less than solid and liquid. Next property is the compressibility. That means how easily it can be compressed and can't compress. So if we will discuss about the solid, it cannot compress. Liquid, it can compress but little bit. And it compress easily. So this is all about the difference between the solid, liquid and gases. Let's start the another topic of this chapter, that is the interconversion of matter. So the topic is interconversion of matter, state of matter. State of matter. Now this can be done by heating and by applying pressure. So first conversion, that is from solid to liquid. The conversion from solid to liquid, this need heat, and this process is known as melting. Next is from liquid to solid. So all of you know the water is putting in the fridge and it changes into the ice, and this process is known as freezing. The next one, from liquid to gas. This process is known as evaporation, and it also requires heat. Now from gas to liquid, it needs coolness, and this process is known as condensation. Next one, this is the important thing, the solid is directly converted into the gas. This process is known as sublimation. And when gas, it converted directly into the solid, this process is known as deposition. Now the another topic, that how the arrangement of particles depend on these things. Arrangement of particle. Depend on the arrangement of particle in matter depend on, first is the interparticle force of attraction. Second is interparticle space. Third one is the Brownian movement. And then diffusion. So what is interparticle force of attraction? The particles of matter, between the particles of matter there is a force which attract the particles closer to each other. That force is known as interparticle force of attraction. Interparticle space, that means द स्पेस प्रेजेंट बिटवीन द पार्टिकल्स ऑफ अ मैटर, जो भी मैटर के पार्टिकल्स होते हैं उनके बीच में जो स्पेस होता है दैट स्पेस इज नोन एज इंटर पार्टिकल स्पेस. Now the important thing is Brownian motion. It is a random movement of particle. जो particles होते हैं वो randomly move करते हैं, especially in the fluid, जो liquids होते हैं क्योंकि उनमें particles दूर दूर होते हैं. And as result of bombardment, जब वो move करते हैं तो जो bombardment होता है, that continuous bombardment of the matters particle and surrounding particle, that motion is known as Brownian motion. And the diffusion, it is the intermixing of substances. So this is all about the first chapter. I hope you all are understanding the things. Now watch the video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.